Oh shit, copyright strike. So guys, welcome to a new 3-minute Monday. This is once again Leech, and we will have a small cinematic tutorial tonight. It's all about camera movement and how to make your shot look a bit more cool and a bit more cinematic than what you normally do. We are going to make this in 3 simple steps. It's going to be 1, 2 and 3 as 3 simple steps will normally mean. And we are going to do it together. I am making those shots and we'll tell you how to do them. And then we'll see us in a few minutes back here when I am done with all the shots. But first, stay hydrated. And let's start with the intro. So what you want to do first is actually get yourself a place, a nice cozy place that looks good, that has some maybe wood or metal or something else as an underground. Make it clean and then put down your object of desire, whatever you want to shoot and have a cinematic look of. In my case, that's my beloved headphones. For the first cinematic look, we need a standard tripod. It doesn't have to have a fluid head. And if you have a 2-point lighting setup would be great. Position one of the lights on each side of the object. One above and one on the same level is always a great choice. After that, you have to set your camera to the max FPS it can record so that you can get slow-mo footage out of it, and then position the camera on the tripod. After that, manually focus your lens onto the object, and when it gets sharp, then you have to put your tripod onto the first 2 legs that it has. If you have a 3-leg tripod, that's way better. You can also do it with a monopod. Move your camera from the point of focus back to when it's out of focus and then repeat it so that you get the perfect shot. Here is how it looks. The second shot that we're going to make is actually called a revealing shot. You don't have to use the tripod for it. Just get your camera into your hands and make a run and gun shoot. You position an object right before your lens, then you focus onto the object itself so that the object that is in front of the actual object, man, I'm using a lot of object, is actually blurred. And after that, when you get it right into focus and the other object right out of focus, you can then turn around your camera and move it buttery smooth. Here is how it looks. Our third shot is actually an abbreviation of our first shot without the tripod. You focus onto the object and then move the camera upwards so that it looks like you're moving out of focus, while actually you go into Premiere after that and inverse the speed of the clip so that it actually looks like you nailed the perfect smooth shot with the perfect focus. So guys, thank you very much for watching, and I hope you've learned something. I absolutely have, because, well, I'm not perfect. I am doing this for fun, and hopefully you guys enjoy what I'm doing. If you really enjoy what I'm doing, then just click down below on the small subscribe button, and you can then regularly see my content. Would be cool. I was Leech, and see you in the next video.